That's in here.
Ah, it's coming from everywhere. I opened the door and it stopped. Now it's back on.
I think it's inside.
It's in here. It's come from the speakers. That's so fucked up. That sucks. That so sucks. I'm so sorry. That sucks. Damn. That is so annoying. Like, that's an annoying noise. I would guess there's a problem with the ground.